In this video, I'm going to show you how to add countdown videos in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and add the main video you want to edit. Once your video is imported, add it to the track. After that, go to CapCut library. In the search box, type countdown. You'll see a variety of countdown videos in different styles and formats. Browse through the result and tap the countdown video that best fit your project's vibe. Tap the add button to place it on the track. Now, position the countdown video anywhere on the track. If you want to adjust the length of the countdown video, use the split tool. Move the playhead to the exact point where you want to cut the countdown. Delete or trim the unwanted portion as needed. This gives you control how much of the countdown video plays in your edit. Now to make it more dynamic, consider adding a filter. Go to the Filters tab and select your preferred filter. Once added, drag the edges of the filter layer to match the video's duration. Once everything is placed in time just right, preview the video to make sure it flows smoothly. When you're happy with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it! You've successfully added a countdown video in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing!
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!